Hi, this is Alan from Online Marketing Software. I'm going to talk to you today about unveiling the Wealthy Affiliate Advantage and why we recommend it for aspiring online entrepreneurs. So the vast digital landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for aspiring online entrepreneurs, but navigating the path to success can feel overwhelming. Enter Wealthy Affiliate, a comprehensive platform designed to empower you to build a thriving online business through affiliate marketing. Here's why we wholeheartedly recommend Wealthy Affiliate as your one-stop shop for online business success. Your roadmap to online business mastery. Wealthy Affiliate goes beyond simply providing information. It equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to build a sustainable online business. Their platform caters to all experience levels, offers in-depth training modules that guide you through every step of the process, from website development to crafting compelling marketing campaigns. Learning made easy. A curriculum for every skill level. Wealthy Affiliate's training program is like having a personal online business mentor by your side, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to refine your strategies. Wealthy Affiliate delivers. Their curriculum is structured, user-friendly, and constantly updated with the latest trends in the online business world. Real member success stories serve as testaments to the effectiveness of the training, providing a dose of inspiration and motivation. Beyond training, a treasure trove of resources. Wealthy Affiliate isn't just about theory, it's about giving you the tools to put your knowledge into action. Their platform includes powerful features like Site Rubics, a user-friendly website builder, and Jaxi, a comprehensive keyword research tool, empowering you to create and optimize your website for maximum impact. Live chat support and readily available technical assistance ensure you're never left stranded on your entrepreneurial journey. Strength in numbers, the power of community. The Wealthy Affiliate experience extends beyond individual learning. The platform boasts a vibrant and supportive community of online entrepreneurs. Network with like-minded individuals, share experiences, troubleshoot challenges, and gain valuable insights from seasoned members. This collaborative environment fosters personal growth and accelerates your learning curve through mentorship and peer-to-peer learning. Our verdict, a top choice for building online success. Wealthy Affiliate stands out for its comprehensive approach, combining high-quality education with the support of a thriving community. Investing your time and resources into Wealthy Affiliate offers a strong return on investment, equipping you with the skills and tools necessary to build a sustainable online business. Their commitment to user success and their track record of empowering entrepreneurs makes Wealthy Affiliate a platform we confidently recommend. So are you ready to unlock your online business potential? Wealthy Affiliate provides the perfect launchpad for your entrepreneurial journey. Sign up today and take charge of your online future. If you'd like to sign up for Wealthy Affiliate using our affiliate link for free, no credit card required, then you can click in the link below this video. Cheers for now.